Hi everybody,
Hi.
I'm Enrico Cirillo and I live in the United States and I work for the Union Local 7, Marble and Terrazzo and Tile. Right now I'm in Milan with the owner, the Franco Longo. He's the owner for the resin design Milano. He's a producer for the resin. And now we are in the studio and we will show you how to make cover the floor with the resin. Then we have the fiberglass, but we sanding already the floor and we don't need the fiberglass. And we will show you how to spatulate the resin. Okay? The floor is we already sanding the floor, the tile we sanding. For this we don't need the fiberglass. Okay, and now we start with the first hand with the primer. Okay, we go. Just we put 1 gallon point 20 the water with the resin. We already mix right inside. The color just come out. The color is the London font. It's very great, smooth. Okay, now we are ready for sand again. Take out the shoes for don't make dirty mess everywhere. It's almost done. Now we sand again after another hand for the primer and the last one. Okay, let's go. And now we vacuum again for clean the dust. Okay. Go. now we sanding the last time, take out the shoes with the socks, very clean. We sand the last time, and then after that we vacuum, take out all the dust, and then the last hand with epoxy, resin epoxy for the finish. Okay, let's go. And now the last hand with epoxy for the finish job. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, now is the last day, the floor is done. And then what I say in the beginning, when we start the job, I said we need the fiberglass, but for this floor we don't need. We have the tile already setting, it's good floor, we're setting the tile, and then don't forget, the first hand for primer, and then the coat. The second day, second hand, the resin, and then let to dry, and then again for the primer, and then again the coat, and then the three hand, and then now finish for the epoxy resin. But I prefer the satin, and we go the last hand with the satin. This is shiny, and we do the satin. Don't forget, if you don't have the good floor and don't have the tile, you use the fiberglass. And if you use fiberglass, you don't need the 3 hand, but 4 hand. Okay? We're done. You like? Thank you and keep in touch. Bye. Now I get the shirts. Resin design Milano. Okay? And with the FRANCO LONGO is in Italy we say maestro. Maestro is the teacher, the people, the professionals, 25 years the experience in the resin, FRANCO LONGO, around the world. And then I get the certificate for the school for 3 days, and then 30 hours, full immersion, and then I say thank you for he teach me and show me all the technique and all the secret for how to have success in this business. Thank you, Franco. Thank you, and then you give me the certificate.
See you in New York City.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Bye.